Hi all, welcome back. Today we're drafting the basic sleeve pattern and we're going to work with some measurements. First off, the cap height, the elbow and the sleeve hem. I'm doing a long sleeve, so the cap height is normally your bust circumference divided by 12. And first off, I'm going to take the measurement from my front bodice, and for me I have 9 inches. I'm going to do the exact same thing on the back pattern. Just follow the curve like that, and it's 9 inches as well. And now onto the pattern paper, we're going to start with our cap height. So cap height, like I said, is your bust circumference divided by 12. All right, and for me, mine is 3 inches. So I'm going to put that 3 inches on my pattern paper like you see me do, and then take it across to the other side because I need it to be very accurate and straight. And then 3 inches divided by 2 is 1.5 because I need the midpoint. This is all to get the cap height very accurate. So I'm going to take my ruler and just square this out. Okay, this is very easy. Please do not be confused. Your cap height measurement to get your cap height is always your bust circumference divided by 12. Some people say you should add 1 inch extra. Well, I've tried that. It doesn't work for me, but you can also always try that and see if it works for you. Otherwise, just leave it at what you get. Now, I'm going to take my sleeve, my elbow reference point, which is at 13 inches. Because I'm working with a long sleeve, that comes to 22 inches. All right, so I'm going to take that measurement again across the paper just so that I can get something straight. At this point, I'd love to hear from you. So please like, share, and comment. And many thanks to everyone who has engaged, liked, and, said a few kind words. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Back to the pattern paper, I'm just ruling out my references, okay? And that is my long sleeve measurement, ruling out. And again, back to the top where we have our cap height. Remember, I took 9 inches from the pattern. So 9 inches divided by 2 is 4.5 for me. So I'm going to mark that measurement on the paper. And this is just so that we can get the midpoint. And then I label it cap height. That is just what I've written there. Please don't be confused. This is super easy. And at the top there, at that apex, I'm going to connect the dots with a curve ruler. If you don't have a curve ruler, you can do this by freehand. From that midpoint, I'm coming down by 1/4 inch because we need to have a slight dip so that by the time we finish curving all these measurements, we're going to have something that looks like an S shape or something like that. You're going to see what I mean when we do that. So that is 9 inches. And then I'm going to make sure that I have 9 inches divided by 2, which is 4.5. I'm just cross-checking my measurements. It's important always to cross-check your measurements when you do these things. So I'm going to curve these measurements out like that. Like I said, you can always use your free hand if you know you're accurate. And then I'm coming slightly down where I measured this 1/4 inch, and then flip my curve ruler inwards or outwards, I don't know what that is, and then just connect to my 9 inches reference point. And there you go. We have the sleeve height or the cap height already done. And then we move to my elbow reference point. My elbow measurement round is 12 inches. 12 divided by 2 is 6. And then to my sleeve length, that is my round sleeve. That is what I'm showing you. Yeah, that point. Round is 10 inches. Divided by 2, that is 5. By the way, this sleeve is for a non-stretchy fabric. It is for a non-stretchy fabric, okay? So that is why I have put certain ease. If we're doing something snug with stretch, we wouldn't need to have this much measurement. So I'm going to connect my points right now with my ruler, like so, and there we go. The sleeve pattern is ready. Can you see? It's very simple, it's very quick. Do this a few times, you will understand it. Sewing is fun, it's not intimidating. Beginners, you can do this. Let's do this together. You can do this, okay? And there we go, we are done. That is our sleeve pattern. And I'm going to bring in my my bodice pattern just so that you can see what we've done so far. So there you go. That is the pattern, the front and back bodice, basics bodice, and now we have our sleeves. So now you can actually start to practice this and cut on fabric if you want. So I hope you find this useful, and until next time, I'll come back with another tutorial. Take care and bye.